I'm John Cristani, and I'd like to invite you to an exclusive internet training that I'm holding this week on how I've been able to build a passive internet income that just completely runs on autopilot and allows me to live the 4-hour work week so I can spend more time with my family, hang out with my friends, and party in exotic locations. Now, if you stick with me in just a second here, I'm going to show you how you can build your very own internet side income that makes you 4, 5, or even 6 figures per month. I used to be broke, beardless, and work a corporate job that I absolutely hated. And now I earn millions of dollars per year, and I married my college sweetheart. I just bought a house in Malibu. You know, I drive Lamborghinis and have fun and basically live life on my own terms. I do all of this without having any clients to talk to, any product to sell, any inventory to keep, a business that requires me to show up at an office or take phone calls or meetings at any particular time. I've been able to do this and earn over $1,000 a day every single day. And it's not just me that's been able to do this. There have been many hundreds and hundreds of other students of mine who've been able to make a very substantial income using this system.
He's actually one of the smartest internet marketers I know.
One of the best teachers there are.
He has your best interests in mind.
Yeah, John's definitely a really smart dude.
I have put together a very limited time training for a few people each week where you can learn how to put together your own internet business and build your own internet income very simply, working very few hours per week. There should be a link somewhere. If you're on mobile, it should be in the top corner of this screen, and if you're on desktop computer, the link should be in the bottom corner. Now, on this training, I'm actually also going to give away over $200 worth of bonuses. On this training, we're going to be going over a few things. We're going to be going over my 3-step system to setting up my online business. See you on the training and look forward to your success.